Hi everyone. Are you ever nervous about losing your files? I'm going to show you how to use one of these external hard drives, or really any hard drive, to back up your folders and files with ease. I use something called Goodsync, and there's a link below here on Scott Parker's Tech Tips. Here we go. So I have the window open here. Let me plug this in. And I'm going to open up a new job. I've loaded Goodsync. I've already done the install. If you want instructions on how to install it, click on this video over here, and that'll take you through that. So I have it installed, and I've opened it here on my Mac. I'm going to do a new job. I'm going to choose my backup source. So I go to my Mac here, and it's a local computer, and my user folder, and my name, and documents. And let's pick a folder to back up. Let's do articles. So I'm going to back up that one. Now you see that it's listed here, backup source, Scott Parker Documents Articles. And over here, for my backup destination, I'm going to choose my Mac and local, and this time volumes. And I'm going to choose this 750 gigabyte BG. I misspelled it. Pardon me. And I'm going to click on a new folder. I'm going to call this Articles Backs for backup. Create it. There it is. There's the backup. And I hit apply. Over here, I'm going to rename it to Articles Mac to 750 gigabyte drive. There we go. I've renamed that. I'm going to click on Analyze. It's going to compare the two folders. So one side obviously is filled with files, and the other side is completely empty because it's a new folder. So here we have two columns. We've got the left side and the right side, and we have all these green arrows on the right side, which means it's going to copy from left to right. Up here in the middle between the two folders, we have an arrow that says it's going to go from left to right. If I click this, I could change it instead of backup to synchronize, but I don't want to do that. I just want it to be a one-way backup. Okay. And now I hit sync, and it's going to go. And you'll see it's writing all these files. If I click on this button down here, it'll open up a current activities window where it says what it's doing now, so I can keep track of it. And according to this, it's going to take another 8 more seconds to finish. So again, there's a link down in the description for Goodsync. There's a free version that will do, I think, less than 100 files, and you can do 3 different jobs. Otherwise, it's like less than $30 a year or for the version, and you get to use it, I think, on 5 computers. So now the job is done, and we have all these equal signs, and we can take a look at all of these equal signs. There we go, and it's finished. It's as simple as that. So the backup is just that. Now, every time I hit Analyze, it'll go and double check, and it should give me a green check over here that it's done. Let me open up a file in that folder, bring over here my Pathfinder, and let's find Documents, and I think that was Articles. So let's just make a small change. I'm not going to do anything. All I'll do is I'll make a copy of this one. So I'll duplicate it. So now there's a copy of it. That's all I did was made a new file. So let's analyze again. There's the new file, and it needs to copy it over, and I can press on sync, and it takes care of it. Boom, it's done. Now what if we want to automate this process? Let's go over here to the auto button, and we're going to make a change. We're going to tell it to automate the process on file change. We could also do it on a schedule, and we could say it, let's say every, well, it could be the day of the month, and so on. So I could do it on 24 hours. However, there is another, here we go, periodically on a timer, and I believe I can type in 24 hours here, and I can apply it, so it'll run automatically every day. But that's set for automatic every 9 seconds, so it's going to check and see if there's anything new. So just finish that. Let's wait another 9 seconds and see if it activates again. I don't think it will. I think it's just because I saved it and it hasn't yet. It's already been 9 seconds. So let's go back here and let's make another copy. So we'll do a duplicate. There we go. Now let's wait 9 seconds and see what happens. I'll get in trouble with them. Copyright for singing their song. See, there it goes. It just saw it, and it just copied this new file down here for the copy, and it's copy number 2. So it waited, it saw it, and it executed the job. And that's how easy it is to automate the process. I have some other automated processes that I have set for like every 4 hours or if a file on change and that sort of thing. But this will just do a daily backup every 24 hours. It does have to be running though, so I have Goodsync set to run in the background when I start my Mac. There'll be more tutorials. I have another one on how to do synchronizing between files or folders and how to do additional backup stuff. See the links. I'm also going to show in another tutorial how to synchronize between 2 computers, my Mac and my Windows computer, so I can work on documents on either side and it'll automatically sync between them when I've done changes on one or the other. So I'm never without the most current versions of the files I'm working on. Thanks for watching Scott Parker's Tech Tips, and we'll see you soon.